I will conquer my opponent. Defeat will not be in my creed. I will believe where others have doubted. I will always uphold the prestige, honor, and respect of my team. I have trained my mind and my body will follow. Who am I?
I'm a champion.
I will acknowledge the fact that my opponent does not expect me to win, but I will never surrender. Weakness will not be in my heart. I will arrive at the cutting edge of battle and win by any means at my disposal. Who am I?
I'm a champion.
I'm a champion. I'm a champion. I've got the plan in my hands. Watch what I'll become. Whoever tells me to surrender, I will raise them up. There's nobody that can stop me. I'm a champion. I'm a champion. I've got the plan in my hands. Watch what I'll become. Whoever tells me to surrender, I will raise them up. There's nobody that can stop me. I'm a champion. I'm going ready now. It's different this time around. Took an L, learned to bounce back. Now I'm back on route. Devised a plan so great that it's beyond profound. Now I'm about to show you who's the best. Tell me where's the crown. I'm coming for what's rightfully mine to take it. If you think that I'm gonna quit, well then you've mistaken. This game brings pain, that's the price you pay. And I'll state I'm the greatest that has ever even dared to play it. Greatest lessons I taught by being heartbroken. Hungry, tired so much, your eyes are hard to open. My fears have taught me how to look into their eyes. Rip off their mask and see the truth that's behind. I saw that they are nothing but a guide I should follow to achieve all the things on my mind. The reason that I've lived in a lie that it's a red light is cause I was afraid to try. I'm a champion. I've got the plan in my hands. Watch what I'll become. Whoever tells me to surrender, I will raise them up. There's nobody that can stop me. I'm a champion. I'm a champion. I've got the plan in my hands. Watch what I'll become. Whoever tells me to surrender, I will raise them up. There's nobody that can stop me. I'm a champion. I've got the strength of a mind you have not seen. I've spent years dedicated. It must be the passion in me that doesn't let me sleep. I want to be the best. I'm headed for the peak. Restless, that's just the principal law. Destiny was calling, so I answered the call. I was chosen for greatness, to rise and to fall, and to never end the cycle, to be greater than all. Be aware, go prepare, cause I'm coming to take the world like a storm taking over the summit. As the lightning strikes the ground, watch me as I summon. I'm coming for the throne now, there's no discussion. Push me off a cliff and witness me flying back. Throw me to the wolves and I'm leading the pack. I'm unstoppable, it's highly improbable that I'm going out of a battle without the win flag on my back.
Ball so hard, got a pep and I step. T-E-A-M, that's what we rep. Mine's on the right, beats on the left. Call it time out, let them catch their breath. We ball in, we all in. You can just call us balled in. We breathe this, we bleed this, cause this right here's our call in. So fall in or crawl in. Look at this team, we all tens with long hours and hard work. In the end, we all win. So what's that? Sacrifice? Look at this team, we paid the price. Like hot sauce spice, we ain't nothing nice. We married to this game, you can call it a wife. So bet that versus spec that. Better muscle up or get back. Win, 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 you can check that. That's what we do, don't forget that. We coached up, don't need luck. Working overtime, we made tough. Persevere when times get rough. We ball so hard, can't get enough. Ball so hard every game, and every play. 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 I went to Ball So Hard University, majored in adversity. Undergrad in perseverance with a PhD in victory. Ball so hard, we in beast mode. We don't rebuild, we reload. We run this game with no cheat codes. We mount up and we never fold. We never quit, never die, never back down or never give in. We ball so hard, we play to win. Quitting would be our only sin. So step up and don't back down. We done came too far to turn back now. We got it on the mind to finish strong. So we came here to put the smack down. So let's go if you bout that. Fans in the stands gon' shout that. Ball so hard, lose it today, I doubt that. It's going down, we going in. Our team is real, we not a fraud. We can show you better than we can take, cause we about to ball so hard. Ball so hard every game, and every play. 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 These other teams have tried, acting like this game ain't ours.
All these blood, sweat, and tears. Don't let us get in our zone. Don't let us get in our zone. Don't let us get in our zone. Don't let us get in our zone.
Big time players in the building.
Big swaggers through the ceiling.
We coming, can you hear it? It's going down.
We must protect our home. Don't let us get in our zone. Don't let us get in our zone. We definitely in our zone.
I'll be the last one standing, 2 hands in the air, I'm a champion. You'll be looking up at me when it's over. I live for the battle, I'm a soldier. Yeah, I'm a fighter like Rocky. Put your flag on your back like Ali. Yeah, I'm the greatest, I'm stronger. Bet my dues, can't lose, I'ma own ya. Hey, I've been working my whole life, and now it's do or die. I am invincible, unbreakable, unstoppable, unshakable. They knock me down, I get up again. I am the champion. You don't know my name, you can't hurt me now. I can't feel the pain. I was made for this, yeah, I was born to win. I am the champion. When they write my story, they're gonna say that I did it for the glory. But don't think that I did it for the fame, yeah. I did it for the love of the game, yeah. And this is my chance I'm taking. All them old records I'm breaking. All you people watching on the TV, you go ahead and put your bets on me. Hey, I've been waiting my whole life to see my name in lights. I am invincible, unbreakable, unstoppable, unshakable. They knock me down, I get up again. I am the champion. You don't know my name, you can't hurt me now. I can't feel the pain. I was made for this, yeah, I was born to win. I am the champion.
Born champion. The C is for the courage I possess through the drama. H is for the hurt, but it's all for the honor. A is for my attitude, working through the patience. Money comes and goes, so the M is for motivation. Gotta stay consistent, the P is to persevere. The I is for integrity, innovative career. The O is optimistic, open and never shut. And the N is necessary, cause I'm never giving up. See, they ask me how I did it, I just did it from the heart. Crushing the competition, been doing it from the start. They say that every champion is all about his principles. Carry.
I